Hi dear friends, welcome back to Kukku's Kitchen Recipes. Here I share a healthy drumstick leaves recipe. Drumstick leaves or muringaila in Malayalam. These leaves have more health benefits. It's good for eyes. In this recipe I am going to make drumstick leaves with dal curry. Our family loves it. I hope you also like. Let us check the preparation method. Drumstick leaves dal curry is ready to serve. It is very tasty with dosa, appam, chapati. I also share another 2 recipes of drumstick leaves. If you want to check that recipe, I share the link below in description box. Try this healthy recipe, share with your friends. Keep watching. Please support. Thank you.